salt. So that dog, he's not letting me record this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ami and Nana's channel, or welcome if you're new to this channel. In today's video I want to dye my hair, but I will dye my hair only with coffee and other ingredients. It's been a while since I wanted to change my hair color because I have these little thingies. They are orange and I think it's you know, the product of the summer and the coloration that I used to do when I used to be blonde. So this stays in my hair. So today I want to change the color, but I can't afford anymore to go and buy dyeing products at the supermarket. First, because it's not sustainable, as it involves a lot of plastic and cardboards and all of that. Secondly, it's not sustainable for my hair because I want to get back my previous color and my curls without damaging it more. So I will just use natural ingredients for today's video to dye my hair. Let's dive in the preparation. I will show you every ingredient of my made-up recipe and we will apply on my hair. Don't feel disgusted by it, it's just natural. I will use natural ingredients that then will be washed off with shampoo and water. So it should be good. Changed my t-shirt so I can start the crafting, the experiment with my hair. I hope the coffee will change the color in a natural way. So as I told you, in today's video I will dye my hair because I don't like these like light orange yellow color. I don't know how to define it, but I don't want to use and stress my hair with chemicals, so I decided to use the coffee. So my recipe consists of the following ingredients: coffee that you can make in a coffee maker. Mine is huge, I already made the coffee, it's inside. Oops. And then I will put this coffee in my hair. Of course, when you make the coffee, let it rest first, it needs to get cold and then you can start using it. Apple cider vinegar, aceto di mele in Italian, 1 egg to moisturize your hair, a drop of lavender oil, and some conditioner. Use anything as a conditioner. Of course, I would advise a natural conditioner, but for the experiment, use anything. Okay, which is great. And one last ingredient, it's cocoa. I don't know why, but I want to add cocoa in my hair. It seems like I will make some sort of tiramisu, but I'm not. I'm going to dye my hair. Once we finished with the preparation, we have here our miracle. It doesn't look really good in my bowl. Like normally it should be a compact thing. It doesn't really look good. Never mind. So anyways, it should look like a creamy thing. I messed up, but mine looks like poop. So let's make the mess. I don't know, so I will start applying the product like this on my hair. And I don't know what I will start. Hello. And I'll apply the product a bit like this, then I'll start dividing. So first I like to apply the product everywhere. Maybe it's not the best advice. We will see at the end of this video. Apply it first everywhere, and now I'm trying to divide my hair, and now I'm trying to apply it like, you know, every part of my hair. Oh my god, I mean, I should have used gloves. I just thought about it, but let it be, let it be. Okay, so what I've done is first to put the coffee everywhere, and then I divided every piece of hair and I applied it individually. So to make sure that it's everywhere, then I massaged my scalp. As I told you in our recipe, we put lavender, vinegar, conditioner, an egg, and we made a tiramisu out of it. Okay, so I'm keeping up because I still have a lot. Okay, guys, it's crazy. Once you're done, I hope not done like me, but it's just funny because, yeah, it's funny, so I don't care. I want to show you that I'm messy. You leave it for around an hour. It depends also on your hair colors. I have an hour to clean this mess. Guys, if you saw what happened here, it seems like I had a fight with the bathroom, the toilet pretty much. Alright, after showering, this is the result, and drying my hair of course, this is the result. I can tell that there is a little bit of difference with my previous color, but it's not what I've expected. I thought it would be darker, and I thought that I would get rid of this orange color in my hair. I guess it's because I used to dye my hair a lot and I used the decoloration, so I don't think the coffee is a strong solution for that, but I am not totally unsatisfied with the result. Actually, I'm very happy because my hair is super fluffy, it's super soft, it has texture, volume. It works. It works. It's a sustainable way to color your hair, and it could be also just a mask. However, in all of these, I would have avoided some mistakes. For example, in the application, instead of using just my hands, my bare hands, I would have used some gloves or a spray to apply it. There is coffee here. You just spray it all over your hair. Use a thick conditioner so it's easier to apply the product on your hair if you don't have a spray, for example. And don't do what I've done. But yeah, so since I recorded the video live, like when I was actually doing it for the first time, I wasn't following the right indications, but I'm giving you some advice based on my experience. So yes, this is my hair. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and if you don't, try this experiment on your hair. It's not gonna damage it or anything, and let me know what happens. I'm gonna enjoy the sunset.